Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to create your Angular project. So, first of all guys, to create your Angular project, I will need you to get your Visual Studio Code, which is an application where we will start our Angular project. So, let's go to your browser, go to the URL section and search for Visual Studio Code and then go to the first link and here it is. So code.visualstudio.com. This is the official website of this software. Click on download for Windows if you are going to use it on Windows. If you have any other systems like macOS or Linux, you can just click one of these and it will be starting to download. So now we can also open it on web if you'd like to. Now let's go to our Visual Studio Code. So I have it already installed on my PC. Here it is. So now in order to actually have the Angular project, we'll have to download the Angular extensions in Visual Studio Code. So simply by going to extensions or Control Shift X. So here we go. It will open for us. Now search for Angular and now, as you can see, you'll have to download the essentials. So here it is, Angular language servers. Let's click on install and then wait a little bit. Now, as you can see, it is fully downloaded. So it is, you can here disable it or install it. And here it shows you basically how you can start using it. So this is like the service of it, feature contribution, here the shine log. It is some extra extensions that you can use with it. So this is like snippets. Here is some essentials as well that you can download. So this is like a full pack with all of these things that you can get in here. Here it is, like Angular schematics if you'd like to get it as well, and so go on. So basically now all you need to do is start working your project because you have it installed. So you just have to click on create a new file or choose a new project, choose the Angular, and here you go. So guys, that was it for today's video. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and thank you for watching.